In this lecture, we will learn about the various constants that the Python math module contains. The first step to working with Python's math module is to import it at the top of our program by typing import math. This will import all of the constants and functions from that module into our program so that we can use them in our code. One of the most important constants in all of mathematics is pi. To access this constant, we can reference math.py. Let's print out the value of math.py to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that the value 3.1415, etc. was printed to the console. Anyone familiar with this constant will be able to identify that this is indeed the correct value. Another important constant is e. E is Euler's number and is the base of the natural logarithm. To see the value of this constant, we can use Python's print function and print the value of math.e to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that the value 2.71828, etc. was printed to the console. The tau constant is equal to 2 times pi. Let's print out math.tau and run the code. As you can see, the value is 6.2831, etc., which is approximately 2 times the value of pi. The next two constants we are going to look at are a little bit different than the others. These constants are inf and non. Instead of having numerical values, they have sort of abstract values just with their letters. The math.inf constant stands for infinity. We can print out the value of math.inf to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that inf was printed to the console. The math library's non-constant stands for not a number, and basically identifies just that, any numeric value that is undefined. For example, we can print out math.non to the console. When we run the code, you will notice that non was printed to the console. In the next lecture, we will learn about the number theoretic and representation functions that Python's math module gives us access to.